Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to add Google Widget on home screen on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, Google Widget on the home screen can improve productivity by providing easy access to tools like Google Calendar, Tasks, or Search. This streamlines tasks such as scheduling appointments, settings, reminders, or conducting quick searches without navigating through multiple apps. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To begin, long press any area on your device home screen to access additional options. So, from the menu that appears, select Widgets, and then scroll through the available widgets until you locate the Google option. And then tap on the side arrow to expand the selection, and search for the Google Search widget. Once you find the Google Search widget, click Add to Desktop to place it on your home screen as desired. So, you can tap and hold to change the place of this widget according to your needs. Okay, this action successfully displays the Google Search widget on your device home screen, providing quick access to Google Search functionality directly from your home screen. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to add Google Widget on home screen on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.